Hi guys, welcome back. Here is the box jump over tutorial. Make sure that you bend your knees on landing on the box and on the floor. Very important that you don't stiffen those legs and let the impact go through your joints. Use your muscles to absorb the ground. Your second alternative is to face side on from the box. Laterally jump up onto the box and then jump off, keeping your knees soft the whole time, making sure that you're really bringing those knees up as you jump sideways. The other alternative, if you're not feeling okay about jumping off to the side, is to step off like I am here, using the outside leg. Don't cross your legs over, step off, sit into that squat and explode upwards. Really good for the frontal plane. Those outer and inner thighs are getting extra attention here. Your third option is to face the box and quarter twist as you land onto the box and quarter twist as you land off the box. This way you will face the box on each jump, making sure that you're ready for the next one as soon as possible. This is more intense than the other two because you're constantly moving and you're facing the box every time you land. You can obviously twist and turn and step off the box backwards as an alternative if that suits you better.